Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be on an official visit to Russia on 8 and 9 of this month. The Centre has issued guidelines for funding of testing facilities, infrastructure and institutional support for development of standards and regulatory framework under the National Green Hydrogen Mission. The government will come up with a new shipbuilding and ship repairing policy soon to make India top 10 countries in the sector by 2030 and top 5 by 2047. Addressing virtually the Partnership for Maternal, Newborn and Child Health Board meeting held in Geneva, Health and Family Welfare Minister Jagat Prakash Nadda said that India has made tremendous gain in improving the survival of mother and children at a much faster pace than the global average. India has registered the highest ever growth in the value of defense production in 2023-24.